How to clean the engine bay. What's up guys, in today's video we are cleaning the engine bay in preparation for the M43 that I am regasketing. And since I cannot work on the engine because the oil pan is cracked, I gotta do something else, right? It would be a shame to put a freshly cleaned and regasketed engine into an ugly and dirty engine bay. That's why I bought something like this. Never used it, never tested it. I have no idea how it works, but it's for the engine, right? So should work good. I guess let's start. To make your job worth a while, it's best to remove as much stuff as you can from the engine bay. And I want to take the harness and put it on the outside of the fender. Because just in a way, and I have an LPG in this car, which means that there are extra wires which in my opinion are added incorrectly and in stupid way, but who am I to judge? Bye bye. Alright, first part of this task, first part of today's video is done. So we have a cleaner engine bay. The harness is so bad that I'm gonna consider getting a new one and redoing everything, because this thing is just it's a time bomb. Okay, now let's start shaking this thing. And under the car I put a tub to catch all the dirt we're gonna remove from the engine bay. I don't want to get it all over the floors. I don't have possibility to clean the floors and get rid of this, so we have to like keep our mess to the minimum. That's why there's a tub under the car. And we're gonna do one side only, one side, and then move to the other one. The most important thing for me is the AC compressor, which I showed you before. I'm gonna show you again, and it's super dirty. I did take the clutch off this compressor because it wasn't working. Now I got a new one, and I don't want to put it on the dirty compressor. In a dirty compressor, clean engine bay, it's just terrible. Right, it smells a little bit like paint thinner or paint already mixed. I will go to get a water and pump it a little bit to build the pressure. But I think we're gonna have to use a brush to agitate this dirt. Otherwise, it's just, I don't think the manufacturer of this thing knew how dirty my engine bay is, and it wasn't designed for cars like mine, which all are super dirty. But I really feel good about it. So, water, pressure, and waiting 20 minutes. now that I'm waiting for it to be ready, I'm thinking they said use a jet wash. Water jet. Jets are on pressure washers, which means they probably think you're gonna have a pressure washer, which every car enthusiast should have, but not every car enthusiast has it. Therefore, I'm gonna take a brush, agitate the dirt, and then try to get it off. Time's up. Okay, so I went over this with a brush a few minutes ago. I think if we had... Oh, it looks so good on camera. Why doesn't it look so good live? Even the dirt looks nicer. Alright, I think right now, brush, let's go. It doesn't look bad, but use safety glasses for this. Getting hit by a spark from when you cut the metal is not that bad compared to getting this in the eye, okay? Use glasses, please. I'm super surprised. I was not expecting it to be that good. I just sprayed it, waited, brushed it, and then sprayed it with this, a garden plant pressure something. I'm gonna redo the first half of the engine bay just because I wasn't able to get everything off and I won't have a pressure washer, so I need to repeat the steps, but I think it's a good price for a good product. It's not a review, it's not sponsored, it's just like I was curious if things like that work at all, alright? This is after and this is before. After. Am I happy with the results I have? No. Is it better than it was? Yes. So what am I gonna do? Next time I'm gonna try to steam clean still the same side of the car because I wanna see how good we can make it. Okay, with limited resources like no pressure washer, and well, you've seen what I was using, that's all I could do. I'm not gonna stop here because obviously this car will stay with me for a very long time. We already have like 2 engines for it, so 2 swaps in the future are happening. Probably next winter this car will also be in a workshop just like this, probably getting some work done, and I hope it's gonna be engine bay restoration because it needs it. If you have pressure washer, stuff like this, I was using MANNOL Motorkata de Gengen. I don't speak German. It really did a very good job. I am super curious what it's gonna do if you use a pressure washer. I think it could really make a very good job. For now, I hope you enjoyed the video. The M43 is ready. The engine bay is ready. We're getting there. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.